Hello my friends, as of now I am Santinitor Mela. Lots of police persons deployed here, so you can be saved from any type of unhazard movements. So you can visit here without any scared. And let me check out another stalls which is set up in this lane. So I'll show you lots of things which is very important for purchasing for your satisfaction. If you are searching for the jacket, so you can get it in this fair. So lots of different type of colors jackets are hanging. And let me check out another ornaments which is hanging here. So no doubt about it, is very gorgeous. You can get it under your estimate. If you are facing the thirsty, so you can get a sugar juice. It's very nutritious. It has lots of antioxidant. You can become lots of energetic after drinking this sugar juice. Lots of fast food items are also there, so who are feeling the mouth watering, so you can get from your nearest market, so it's available. So, this is actually fried items, I don't know exact name. Now I am in festivals mood, so now I am entering the culture programs there is happening. Lots of audience are listening this music, Robindra Sangeet. Obviously, it's very traditional. It's very famous here. Without Robindra Sangeet, you can't realize any good things as well as melancholy. Actually, lots of earring are hanging different type of colors. You can choose from here, and it's the under budget. Actually, different type of wreaths are hanging here, so you can choose from here, and it's very cheapest one. No doubt, it looks very gorgeous. I'll show you another artistry, which is writing on this plate. This ghost is the really excellent architecture. No doubt about it. I am show you agriculture display. If you are searching for lots of vegetables, so you can get here. Many type of vegetables as well as crops and paddy are also hanging. So you can visit in this state government. I'll show you another vegetables with broccoli, many types of as you wish. So I'll show you everything. Just keep touch with me. If you are purchasing as of now and you thinking how can I carry it, so you can buy a bag. Different type of bags are there. So দাদা এই ব্যাগগুলোর দাম কেমন আছে? এই ব্যাগগুলো এই ব্যাগগুলো এই যে কালো কালো ব্যাগ আপনি 350 টাকা 350. No doubt about it is very cheapest one with 350 rupees. So no need to bargaining. Yeah. If you want gift someone's teddy bear, you can get it from here. So lots of beautiful teddy bears are hanging. So you can offer your favorite one. Big teddy bears are hanging also. So let me check out the price exact. এটা টেডি বেয়ারটা কত দাম আছে? পিঙ্ক কালারের কত? This big one is for 1500. So no doubt it is very less amount. Obviously it's costly amount for the middle class family. You can get another small one also available under your estimate.